prince of the 21st century. Thank you for all your support, for your collaboration and your wisdom. To give you a deeper sense of our dedication to producing great 3D consumer experiences, I'd now like to ask Hiroshi Yoshioka to come on stage to discuss Sony's 3D Total Solutions. Yoshioka-san?
Thank you, Sahara. Sony is the only one company that has products. Did you find Sony is the only one company which has a product in every ring for the 3D value chain, from rent to the living room. Owners of 3D Bravia LCD TVs could enjoy 3D movies on Blu-ray disc, stereoscopic 3D games on PlayStation 3 and 3D TV programs in their living rooms, just as they enjoy 3D movies at theaters. And in 2011, as Howard just said, 3D becomes personal. That means Sony will add another dimension to 3D entertainment by bringing personal imaging from the lens to the living room and beyond. Sony is going to widen the scope of 3D experiences by expanding consumers' capabilities to create their own personal 3D content with new 3D compatible handycams, produits, and cybershops. With these products, consumers will be able to capture personal content, both high-definition 3D video and 3D still images in the highest quality, and create work on our 3D Bravia HD TVs with utmost ease. Sony will make the 3D shooting experience as simple as it is in 2D, and you will get much more enjoyable personal experience by capturing your moments in 3D. And to expand 3D world and make 3D entertainment available even outside of living room, Sony is now developing several personal displays. Firstly, we will introduce a 3D compatible bio PC just as we promised. And this is not enough. Up until now, I touched upon what is available in 2011. Now, let me walk you through what our engineers are working on in our labs. Further to the bio, we are also working on prototypes of real 3D personal displays to keep us ahead in offering a better 3D personal experience to consumers. The first prototype is this 3D Hetman display. This one. There are two Sony-made OLED panels inside, right and left. Each panel shows a high-quality, high-contrast picture for both left and right eyes. This means there is no crosstalk in between. You can enjoy a theater-like experience on a couch or in flight with a virtual large screen and powerful sound. As a big gamer myself, I couldn't be excited more when I first played Gran Turismo 5 PlayStation 3 game with this Hetman display, because nobody, not even my wife, interrupt me so that I can get a higher score. It's so important for me. And of course, watching a movie with this is another great 3D experience. As many 3D movies are released on Blu-ray disc, it's logical for consumers who want to watch or on the move. Those consumers will also love this next prototype. A glassless portable Blu-ray 3D player. You can enjoy 3D movies on a 10.1-inch specially designed LCD screen anywhere without 3D glasses. These two prototypes provide freedom for the living room, sofa, and the movie theater to enjoy 3D. Lastly, I would like to touch upon basic research on glassless 3D HD TV for the future living rooms. We are working on technologies to create an exciting new viewing environment. We have 3 types of glassless display prototypes on the floor there. A 56-inch LCD-based prototype using a 4K LCD panel, 46-inch LCD-based prototype using a 2K LCD panel, and a 24.5-inch OLED-based prototype using a 2K OLED panel. All prototypes are showing beautiful HD quality 3D images. Again, our engineers are working very closely together on the content side. You can see the images from the wide viewing angles you need for a living room type viewing environment. We are showing these prototypes to provide you with a glimpse into the future. There is no timetable set for the introduction or the commercialization of these innovative products, but we want you to know they are on the Sony radar. While Sony continues working on research and development in our labs, we are bringing you a closer look at a full lineup of our new 3D plug LCD TVs with active shutter glasses, with which consumers can get the best 3D experience that only Sony can provide. You will hear the details shortly. Sony is fully committed to bringing an excellent 3D experience from every angle. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show. Now, I would like to ask Sarah to return to the stage again.
Now, you all complain about wearing 3D glasses. I wore mine through that entire thing, and I didn't even remember. I was supposed to take them off. I was so comfortable. And that's not a plug. I'm so stupid also. But I forgot I was out wearing them, so I'm now taking them off. That show and tell you just saw demonstrates that we're working very hard to create the best consumer experience. Of course, it's 2011, and we are equally excited about dazzling new products for this year. They will build upon last year's important launches of our first Bravia televisions with 3D and our internet TV powered by Google, the world's first true internet television. As we know, the next big industry transformation is therefore upon us, the marriage of the television set and the internet. TVs are no longer passive devices, but gateways to an enormous dynamic world of content delivered wherever and whenever the consumer wants it. And it's clear that consumers are ready for it. The numbers show. According to Comscore's latest data, nearly 180 million US internet users watch online video content every month, primarily on PCs. Display Search predicts that more than 65 million internet-enabled TVs will be shipped worldwide this year, and that the number will grow to 122 million shipments by 2014. Our aim is to redefine the way consumers interact with the next generation of television. That catchphrase, TV redefined, will be the centerpiece of a major global advertising campaign. Here to show you is a work-in-progress trailer that will begin to give you a sense of what's ahead for our TV redefined campaign. Now you've got to put your glasses on once again, and if somebody's lost them, I have a spare pair. work in progress. A critical part of TV Redefined is a network platform that provides entertainment across many devices. Last year, we launched a new video on demand service available in the US, the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. Our cloud-based music streaming service kicked off late last year in the UK and Ireland. You'll be hearing much more about our exciting network expansion strategy later tonight from Kazirai. You can see how serious we are about redefining television through elegant design, easy to navigate interactivity, and expanded premium content. Sony has the knowledge, the vision, the assets, and the conviction to redefine television. We are aggressive. We are consumer-focused. We are shaking up the television landscape, and we will win with consumers who have enthusiastically embraced color television, high definition, and Blu-ray, all of which you all remember better than anybody were greeted with initial skepticism. 3D and internet television are poised on the same path to success. To tell you more specifically about our battle plan, I'd like to introduce Phil Molyneux, our new head of Sony Electronics in the United States. This may be the first, not yet, but it's very nice of him. This may be the first time many of you have met Phil as he assumes his new duties just a few months ago. He is a 20-year veteran of Sony and a dynamic leader who has already begun to transform our US electronics business into an aggressive, nimble, and driven organization. He talks funny, but he's a good guy. Phil, please join me.
Thank you, Sir Howard, and good evening, everyone. I haven't seen this many people gathered together in one place since the World Cup last summer. And from what I understand, the competition between companies at CES is every bit as intense as it is between competing countries in football. Sorry, I meant soccer. And just like the World Cup, I realise there are many journalists and analysts and other stakeholders from around the world here tonight. I must tell you that I'm really enjoying working with our dealers in the US retail community. And I'm looking forward to working with all of you. I'm focused on making and creating a meaningful dialogue with those that follow Sony, its products and its progress. Sony has ambitious plans for the future, and we're going to have some excellent stories to share. Here's an example. When Sir Howard asked me to come to the US and head up Sony Electronics, I took a look at where we were and developed the following aspiration. By 2030, Sony will be the #1 consumer electronics company in the United States. Tonight is another solid step forward towards that aim as we announce a wide and fantastic new range of products, services and partnerships. I'm only going to focus on key announcements during my comments, but I urge you to spend time walking around the booth to see all that we will bring to consumers in 2011. At Sony, our commitment to develop innovative products and entertaining content for consumers has never been stronger. And centre to our strategy is television redefined. Our goal is to bring a totally new experience to consumers and to take television to the next generation. As Sir Howard mentioned, we will actively engage consumers in what has typically been a passive medium. We recognise that consumer behaviour is changing, and Sony, as an industry leader, will continue to design and build our products with the consumer top of mind.